told you already that.
What's up?
Hi guys, so today we're at the beach. This is the beach vlog. Hi guys. So today our vlog is for today is we're going to the dagat, and it's kind of tugna-tugnaw because we did not know it was cold. Oh my god, tugnawa oy. Jesus Christ. Okay, so we just don't poop on my head, dude. So now we're just getting our stuff. And post lang ko and shoots ko. And we did not know that tugnaw kaayo. So now we're freezing to death. So yeah.
That's so funny.
Okay, we're going now.
Okay. We're gonna find a spot.
Uy.
Because there's a lot of
Where's my
poop
drink, Dad?
in here.
So,
So funny.
we bought beach towels because magdagat-dagat me.
Yay!
I'll carry it.
So we're just gonna find a spot because there's a lot of poop.
I'll carry this. Okay. Give me my drink. Okay, see you in a little bit so we could get plastered. So, okay, bye guys. See you in a little bit.
Tama to.
Okay, we found a spot. No, I think oh yeah, we're still finding a spot earlier. It took so long to find a spot, but then we found it. Do you like my swimsuit, you guys? I know, it's so pretty. So we had Jollibee, and my mom's blowing up a balloon.
Hi
And
guys,
I
so
do
right
not know
now,
where my dad is.
we are just here going to eat. And I'm just
You
here.
like the chairs? You like my mom's dress?
She's just
And I'm
blowing up
still
the air
blowing the balloon up.
Later na, mukha sa gutom guys.
Yeah, because I want to sit
I was
in here.
go-
Because look.
I was going to
So cool, Dad.
I was going
Found
to
the
listen to
Jollibee.
music, but my dad said, "Oh, those my sunglasses." I got a chicken, a little bit spaghetti, and a burger steak. It was so yummy, and I love mushrooms. Naku. Okay, we're just making a mess. I love Jollibee. We eat it mostly sometimes, but sometimes we don't. So yeah, I love Jollibee. And if you are a kid, you get to have free toys, like for a kid's meal. Look at that more crispy chicken.
Can I have my
Like
conda?
the type halang.
You
And
get
it
yours
looks
here.
so yummy.
Let's eat guys. Mukbang.
Let's eat,
Hi
guys.
guys,
Mukbang.
welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, we're
Charing.
having a picnic
So
here
right now,
in Lecture Drive.
my mom's just talking,
So
and we're at Lakeshore Drive. Kind of looks like it's at
we
downtown,
have some
and like
spaghetti.
there's the
have,
beach is so fun. You should go there. My mom just told me what
Birthday.
place is at, but I forgot. And
So
like
meron
what you
spaghetti
just
yun.
said earlier.
Sige, ganan mo man. Why don't you sit here?
Mama, kung kakao.
Huh?
Kung kakao.
So good.
Okay. Take it out.
It is so good. Oh, ice cream.
Ice cream truck. That's gonna video it. Cool. Ice cream.
Ngam sa amin, and then we'll see you after, so magdagat-dagat kami.
Charing.
Sino na yung chicken gang? Where's your chicken? Kurot na.
Igutom ba ko?
Sometimes is wala yung pagkaon. Di ka makaon.
I know, right? Yeah.
Love
Naman kay
it.
burger steak ko doon.
I love chicken.
Banana
It tastes like peach mango pie, but
Langka.
it's banana
Jackfruit in English.
langka.
Ang langka?
Langka.
Ah, yeah.
And this kind of tastes like peach mango pie. It's like exact same.
Peach mango
It doesn't
pie.
even make a
Guys,
difference.
do you love peach mango pie, or do you like the different kind, like the purple kind? I love banana langka. It's now my new
Guys,
favorite
naburuto na mo ni, guys.
thing.
Look at the bulb.
But it doesn't even fit.
Dada nako kay agi sa
No,
pump.
it doesn't fit there. It's kind of hard to put it in.
No, it doesn't fit there. Okay. Pump chud, pump. Pum baram bum bum bum. Okay. I think na-bored na si mama kay gaimot kay si mama.
There's a bee in here.
I'm just dancing.
Yay.
I hate rodents, guys. Do you hate rodents? I hate mosquitoes, red ants, and black ants. I just feel like they're very they're harmful. I hate that so much. Like, I literally hate it.
Deflating.
I hate those bugs, the ones that bite. 'Cause
Why is this
I got
so
a
cold,
bite,
man?
and it was so itchy, and I couldn't stop scratching it until niburot. So just be careful in the summer, cause good thing I love winter and fall, because there's not that much bugs and they're just hibernating. So yeah, now we're just gonna go to the dagat para mag-swim ako. And by the way, there's hard shells, which my feet hurt so bad, and I did not like it. And I was like, my feet hurt so bad. So yeah, go run lang me. Look at that girl, like her pants. The girl that was running.
This is a Barbie beach towel. Wala na ang mga bird. Dito! I'm scared of mommy's whales. Because there's a story that a girl got drowned by a whale duck. So that's the most thing I'm scared of.
Bees? Did I say bees? Like B-E-S. B-E-E-S.
Downhill.
I think that sound kind of sounds like a bee. Like at night, you know, like, I hate ones that way. Itugnaw kaayo mi haladaghan na og balonsoy. Does this sound like a bee? I like at night, like the noise at night that in America. Do you think it sounds like that? Why do I sound like that? Like, this is for dogs. I don't really like dogs because they're very harmful. Like, some dogs is so harmful, but some aren't. So yeah. Why did I say yeah when my dad was talking to my mom?
Son.
Like, bro, why? Bro, why?
See, Dad, I told you already that it will not.
The sun will come up.
Bye, Mom.
Duh.
See you tomorrow.
Ilibog na siya where she's going, because then after she just moved for at least 5 minutes, like on the sand area. Yeah, I love the dagat so much. Do you like my dad's glasses? Pretty nice, right? I love the dagat. Dagat. What was that sound? So we're just digging a... Look, do you like my swimsuit, guys? I love... I drew a heart. Do you like my love and peace sign? I It's so the water is so cold. Like absolutely cold. 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 I think that's how you spell it, right? I want to get splashed, but it's so cold.
Oh my goodness.
We're going into the sea. Oh my god, the sound is so big. SWAG, swag, wag, nag. Okay. So much mist. The sun is beginning to rise up because earlier was so cold. I couldn't stand it. And when it was so cold, I had to literally, like, dito na kaya ko.
So this is the end of the vlog now, and
Just watch
it was
me.
so much fun, and I really had a fun time. And then when we went in the like shore place, like the water, so the sand would get off our body. Sige ko kahambo. Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog now. Love and peace. Salamat sa pagtanaw hangtod sa sunod na vlog nato.
Sunod na vlog nato. Ciao! Bye guys! Love you!